is the step-by-step tutorial of Petit Bizoo's favorite stay-home art kits, the Clay Dessert Art Kit. In this kit, you'll receive everything you need in order to make a really yummy and delicious, cute dessert kit, all out of clay. You'll receive the clay, paints, decorations, and other accessories that you need. Begin by taking your block of clay, rolling it out, forming it into a ball, pressing one side so it's flat, and rolling the edges. You're creating a cylinder. Repeat until it is nice and smooth. Using the carving tool, draw vertical lines on your dome. This will be like the cupcake liner. Next, place your clay cupcake into the cupcake liner provided. Taking the next piece of clay, you're going to press it into the pie mold, fill it in with the filling. Take your other piece of clay, using your carving tool, carve strips and lay them across one another, creating a lattice. Take your next piece of clay, press it out again, fill it inside the pie dish, cut off the excess, and use the remainder to create a filling. For your next dessert, you're going to take a piece of clay, roll it out to form a snake, and then take it and roll it in on itself to create a swirl. Now it's time for banana sundae. Take 3 pieces of small clay, roll them into scoops, place them into your tray, take some extra clay, lay it on top, and add a little cherry. Take a little bit more clay and form your banana to sit by it. If you are a donut lover, not to worry, we got you covered. Take a piece of clay, roll it out, press it flat, and then create a hole in the middle. Next, take the extra clay, again, cut out a frosting layer, press it on top, and poke the hole through. Just in time for Valentine's Day, you can also make heart-shaped cookies with your clay. Press out your clay using your fingers till it's nice and flat. Take the heart stencil, which is in your kit, using your carving tool, trace out the heart, and then you have a heart-shaped cookie. And we saved the best for last. Who wouldn't love a chocolate chip cookie? Take your extra clay, form it into the shape of a round cookie, press it flat, and then taking any remainder of the clay that you have, form little chocolate chips to place on your cookie as well. Once your clay has fully dried, after at least 48 hours, you can take your paint and paint them. Bon appetit! Be sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more creative art ideas.